Dear students, myself I am Mamta Devi AB, Assistant Professor of Chemistry. In this video, I am going to explain session 54, that is organic reagents in inorganic analysis. Content of this video are dimethyl glyoxime, 8-hydroxyquinoline, 1,10-phenanthroline and EDTA. Organic precipitants. Organic precipitants are large molecular weight compounds which forms chelate compounds with cations which are insoluble in water so that the metal ions may be quantitatively precipitated. These are highly selective by using a optimum pH and sensitivity which can be achieved by proper choice of experimental conditions. Example, dimethyl glyoxime, 8-hydroxyquinoline, 1,10-phenanthroline and EDTA. First one, dimethyl glyoxime or DMG. Molecular formula C4H8O2N2. Structural formula is as shown. Dimethyl glyoxime is used in the gravimetric estimation of nickel. Nickel can be quantitatively precipitated as a bright red complex by adding a slight excess of dimethyl glyoxime reagent in an ammoniacal medium. The structure of the chelate formed is as follows. The nickel 2 plus ion present in the solution of nickel is precipitated as nickel dimethyl glyoximate by the addition of alcoholic solution of dimethyl glyoxime in acidic solution followed by the addition of slight excess of ammonium hydroxide. The scarlet red precipitate formed is washed, dried at 110 to 120 degrees centigrade and weighed as nickel dimethyl glyoximate. From this, weight of nickel can be calculated. Second example, 8-hydroxyquinoline or it is also called as oxine. Molecular formula C9H7ON. Structural formula is as shown. This 8-hydroxyquinoline is used in the gravimetric estimation of magnesium. 8-hydroxyquinoline forms a chelate complex with many metal ions such as magnesium ion, aluminum ion, etc. at different pH. It has one donor nitrogen atom. The magnesium 2 plus ion in the solution can be conveniently estimated gravimetrically by precipitating it as magnesium oxinate by adding oxine in presence of ammonia. The reaction is as follows. The precipitation is carried out effectively at a pH range of 8 to 13. The precipitate is filtered, dried at 130 to 140 degrees centigrade and weighed. From the weight of the magnesium oxinate, weight of magnesium can be calculated. Third example, 1,10-phenanthroline in the colorimetric estimation of iron. Molecular formula is C12H8N2. Structural formula is as shown. Ferrous ion forms a soluble orange-red complex with 1,10-phenanthroline reagent. The color is stable and the intensity is independent of pH from 2 to 9. The red complex shows a maximum absorbance at 515 nanometer. A series of standard iron 2 solution of strength 0.1 to 0.5 milligram per cm cube are prepared. A known volume of this solution is treated with hydroxyl ammonium chloride to reduce any iron 3 plus present to iron 2 plus. Sodium acetate buffer is added to adjust the pH to about 3.5. A few cm cube of 1,10-phenanthroline are added and the solution made up to a known volume. This is allowed to stand for an hour to complete the reaction. The optical density of the solution is measured at 515 nanometer using a colorimeter. Solutions of other concentrations are prepared in similar manner and its optical density is measured. A plot of concentration versus optical density gives a straight line from which concentration of the unknown solution can be determined. Fourth example, EDTA in the volumetric estimation of magnesium, calcium and zinc. EDTA forms soluble complexes with number of cations such as calcium 2 plus, magnesium 2 plus, zinc 2 plus, etc. It can be used as a titrant for the determination of many of these metal ions because the acid is sparingly soluble in water. The more soluble disodium salt is used in the titrimetric analysis. EDTA has molecular formula C10H16O8N2 and the structure is as shown. Metal ion indicator Eriochrome black tea is used in the estimation of zinc and magnesium ions and calcium ions. The color of the metal ion indicators and the stability of the complexes formed depend on pH, and hence EDTA titrations are performed at constant pH using suitable buffer solutions. Session summary: dimethyl 8-hydroxyquinoline, 1,10-phenanthroline and EDTA. If you want to study more about these topics, refer Advanced Organic Chemistry by Arun Bal and B.S. Bal, Organic Chemistry by Morrison R.T. and Boyd R.N., Organic Chemistry by Feinar I.L., General Chemistry by Petrucci R.H., Industrial Chemistry by B.K. Sharma, Modern Organic Chemistry by M.K. Jain and S.C. Sharma. Thank you.